Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In the last lecture, we learned about what is inline CSS and how we use it. The problem with inline CSS that is embedded in a certain tags that is not clear and understand our code. So for this, we use internal CSS. Internal CSS is used in head tag. So in head tag, we write for internal CSS and we write tag here style tag. Style tag is used for internal CSS. Right here style and their closing. So in this style tag we use our CSS. In style tag, opening tag, we write here type and write here text slash CSS. That tells the browser that is a CSS styling. So I get rid of this inline CSS because we do not use it. That is a not good way to use inline CSS because we do not clearly understand what we write HTML. So if I refresh, so now our normal text HTML is here. So in this internal CSS, I write here h1 and for example, I want to change the color of this heading. So I write here color and red. Save it and refresh. You will now see our color is red because I write here h1 and here our h1 tag CSS tutorial. So I write in styling h1 and name it color colon red. So if I want to change the font size, I write here font size and 250 pixels. Save it and refresh. So you now see our font size is bigger. So same, if I want to use p tag, that is for our paragraph here, and I want to change this color to green and save it and refresh. So now see our color is green of paragraph because we write styling of p, that is stands for paragraph. Another best use of internal CSS, if I want to another tag here, if I want to another tag p tag and write here internal CSS is best. Save it and refresh. So you now see the same styling and same color is applied on the second paragraph tag because in this style tag we write a p tag and in HTML these two p tag. First one is CSS is very cool and the second one is here and this style change the both of the styling. So that is best in internal CSS. So if we write here inline CSS, we make a separate styling for every tag. That is a not good way to do this because that stuff is massive and our code is not understood by anyone. So I want to change the font family. Font family is the styling of text. I want here sans serif. Save it and refresh. So now you see our both font families change, their styling change. So that is our internal CSS. In the next video, we talk about what are IDs and classes. That is the best way to do this in HTML and CSS. So please like the video and subscribe our channel for these latest videos. Thanks for watching.